Welcome to the MERTS instructional video on closing and uploading reports. Before closing your report, be sure to save the file. Make sure you have run the validation report at least once to review for any possible errors. To begin, first activate the Reports tab. Select the report you wish to close, and right-click and choose Close Report from the submenu. The Close Report information window will appear. Enter the date closed and enter the time of day. Select the treasurer from the drop-down list. If the name of the treasurer is not listed, exit the screen and enter the name in the Names tab. Select the record keeper if it applies. Select the appropriate radio button for the person signing the report. Select OK to close the report and continue. A verification window will appear asking if you are sure you would like to modify or amend the selected object. Select Yes to continue or No to cancel. To upload the report, be sure the Reports tab is active. Highlight the report that needs to be uploaded. Select the Upload icon on the toolbar. You will be prompted to save the file if it has not yet been saved. Select OK to continue. The report will run through the validation process. If you have potential errors, select No to return to the file to fix the errors, or select Yes to continue. The settings window will appear. Enter the password assigned to your committee. Please note the password is case sensitive and should be entered in all capital letters. If you have lost or need a new password, select the Get a Password link. Enter the committee identification number. Enter an email address to receive notification of the confirmation or rejection of the report. Verify the email address by typing it in again. Select OK to upload the report. If you are experiencing difficulty filing electronically, the report can be uploaded onto a CD or other removable media. Mail the removable media to the Bureau of Elections. Remember to save and back up the committee MERTS file each day. For additional assistance, visit www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.